Welcome to the Real Chemistry Healthcare Innovation Weekend.
South by Southwest is a melding of the minds, the arts, technology, business. It is unlike any other conference you've ever been to. Conference isn't even the right word. It is truly an experience.
This is the place where you bring together people from the business side, people from the government, advocacy groups, academia. When you bring the right people together in the right environment and you make it a safe space for them to have conversations, good things happen.
This shared opportunity of conversation and technology and health in one space. It's just been fantastic.
It's not a clinical conference. It's not an oncology conference. It's a conference that's tailored to meet the needs of lots of different people with lots of different ideas. And ultimately, I think that's how these problems get solved.
I think the big thing really is how do we bring all the people together, all these different stakeholders, and have them have a conversation that's not against each other, but is working together. I mean, if you can bring a patient with a physician, with the technology, with the big data that's there, it could be a beautiful world where we better understand ourselves, our own health.
I know a lot of people know this big event as film and music and entertainment, but we're really excited to see that now South by Southwest is also starting to focus on healthcare.
Healthcare has really seen its day in the sun over the last 8 to 10 years. And over the last 3 or 4 years, it's really started to get into the heart of what is healthcare. Things like rare disease, oncology, how are we meaningfully changing it?
Healthcare in general, we're usually slow to technology, we're usually slow to innovation. When it comes to technology now, we've really learned a lesson. If we're not an early adapter, we get left behind.
We talk a lot about innovation, particularly in healthcare, and we're using the word AI like it's in the water. And what we have to remember is that this is about moving humanity forward. Whatever innovation, whether it was the internet, whether it's AI now, and whether it's something else tomorrow, we can't lose sight of the human factor.
Good information matters, of course, but people don't receive factual information. In fact, most health decisions are not based on facts. They're based on what people believe, and what they believe depends on who they trust. I want better information and to correct misinformation, but at the same time, I just think we also need to think about how do we reach people, because that's as important as what we're telling them.
How can we improve health literacy? How can we really disrupt the norm that we know is not working right now in our healthcare system and adopt new ways so people can really have the best healthcare?
I think that getting the public aware of the important work that people are trying to do in this area is an important step to making sure that we are aligning what's being done from the FDA to the White House, all the way down to like the NIH and how research is being conducted. You can't get that stuff unless the public is behind it.
And Real Chemistry brings it home with the experience. This is a melding of family meeting together every year in Austin, and each and every time it's one of my favorite events to come to, hands down.